year anniversary. So, karong adlaw December 21 sila nagkauyab, kabalukana, and karong adlaw gisugot ni Jason si Lilet. Ay mali, gisugot ni Lilet si Jason. So, 17 years in the making, hingkot na kayo ang ilang relasyon. So, perfect for marriage na John. Kanang uban manggod baguro nagkaila pagkasal dayon bungkak dayon. So, congratulations for sealing the deal of our partnership. I say partnership because that is what a marriage should be. Kasi sa marriage, sabi nila, walang baybuyan, walang iwanan, walang sumbatan. Tinabangay o inunungay, aron mo magdugay. And each of you will have to commit effort to make this union work. So, to our handsome groom, Boss Jay, thank you for loving Lilet the way she deserves. Utang na loob ko sa'yo, alam ko, wala ni mo gisayang ang gugman ni Lilit para kanimo. Ikaw ang tao na nakilala ko na positibo sa buhay. And kung pwede lang, araw-araw kitang pasasalamatan. O isa ka sa reason why my sister fall in love with you. It's because of your positive character. Alam nyo kasi pag si Lilit nag-share ng problem or situations na tough kay Jason, alam ko kahit hindi pa alam ni Jason yung solusyon, i-cheer up, i-lift up niya si Lilit by saying, dali rana. So, very positive si Jason and ganahan kayo ko na iyang positivity. So, Miss J, finally, you're now an official member to our clan. Welcome to the family. Welcome to the Lagos family. Sa mga nakarelate, smile putmudra. I will always admire you for the courage and strength it takes to merit my sister. I can honestly say you are the best thing that ever happened to Lilet. Thank you for coming into her life and loving her the way you do. I know you guys have worked hard to make this come true. And both of you are such a good people. You deserve this happiness at isa mo sa naging inspirasyon ko sa buhay. You and Lilet have a perfect chemistry. Kung sa boxing pa, perfect match gid silang duha. I have an incredible sister, and tonight, I am doubly blessed because I gained a brother too. And I'm so happy for that. When Lilet asked me to be her maid of honor, of course I am honored, though a bit nervous because of the task right now. So dili man day lalim nga mutindog ka ning atubangan nga mugunit na puday kag microphone, okay lang magsayaw-sayaw, okay lang. And knowing the fact na kamong tanan nga naa diri nga pinili sa ato ang Yuliwet, duol mo sa ilang dughan, duol mo sa ilang kasing-kasing. So because of that, duol na sad mong tanan sa akong dughan. Isabay layo diha, duol na ta. Lilet and I had so many childhood memories. Ang relasyon namong duha has always been solid. Mahinumdum ko, we have little fights. Pero ang dili na ko malimtan sis kanang mga ligo sa nagsapa. Bisag ko tong tutok, suguon jud ko niya or ayaon ko niya nga maligog sapa. Kung nagunsa man tan didtong duha kita ra na ang nakabalong. And just want to know that this is the relationship that I will always cherish for the rest of my life. And sis, I just wanted you to know that there's no one else I'd rather have as my sister. Wala nang papalit sa puso ko. Char. If I had to describe what a sister means to me in one word, I would simply say everything. You mean the whole world to me. You truly are a godsend. Sa tuwing may problema si Lilet, sa akin siya lumalapit. Sa akin siya nagsusumbong kahit malayo ako sa kanya. Thank you sis for trusting me. Sa tinuod lang, I have a feeling of guilt because you're so open, you're so honest, and lahat sinishare mo sa akin. And ako, naging unfair ako sa iyo kasi I was too secretive for you. Pero sa totoo lang, ayaw lang kitang masaktan. Sis Tol, I'm sorry if I broke your heart. There was a time wala akong mapagsumbungan. There was a time sobrang bigat ng dinadala ko, sobrang sakit ng nararamdaman ko. Pero pag ikaw na ang kaharap ko, mas pinili ko na lang manahimik. Ang sabi ko sa sarili ko, You're my only sister and I'm only one ate. So, bilang kapatid na babae, as much as possible, I want to protect you. As an older sister, alam ko there are a lot of responsibilities to my siblings. Pero sa case nating dalawa, baligtad. Ikaw ang tumayong ate. Ginampanan mo ang mga bagay na ako sana ang gagawa para sa'yo. There was a time, mura ko si Van Damme, nowhere to run. And those times, mura po kag si Bon Jovi, I'll be there for you. And yet, you were there for me, especially those con crisis. Thank you, sis. And nice, kung malaman mo, isa ka sa taong pinagdarasal ko. Ang sabi ko kay Lord, huwag mo po siyang pababayaan. There are so many reasons to love my sister. She's smart, kind, and generous. But I think my favorite thing is that her unconditional love, not only to Jason, not only to their kids, but to us, her family. And especially to Mama and Papa. You have always have the ability to light up the dark room of our parent. Salamat sa walang sawang pagmamahal mo sa ating mga magulang. Makakaasa ka, dito lang kami ng mga kuya mo, kapatid mo, sa iyong giliran. Hindi man namin sinasabi, pero alam mo na yun. Guys, nagpanyo. Sis, kaya mo yan. Don't worry. Naka-brush yung airbrush yung makeup mo. So if you really don't know the personality of Lilith, maraming nagsasabi, si Lilith maldita. Pero sa totoo lang, si Lilith dili jud maldita. Haskang maldita ha. No kidding. Pero, sabi nila, ganyan daw basta gwapa, maldita. Kisay pangit na. And siya yung tao na tagaan mo og gugma, tagaan kaniya og grasya. Si Lilith yung tao na kung unsa imong ihatag sa iya ha, she will make it greater. If you give Lilith a house, she will give you a home. If you give Lilith a grocery, she will give you a delicious meal. And if you give Lilith a smile, she will give you her heart. So if you give Lilith a fight, be ready for the war. And just a couple of years, witness na ko how brave you are. Matapang mong hinarap ang laban. Laban ni Mama. At alam ko lahat gagawin mo para kang Mama at Papa. Sa totoo lang, hindi man tayo laging magkasama, pero kitang-kita at damang-dama ko ang sakripisyo at pagmamahal mo sa ating mga magulang. Ramdam ko ang naramdaman mo if you are in pain especially. I may not your perfect ate, but you remain perfect to me. I know that it's my role as your bigger sister to be your role model. Pero sa totoo lang, ikaw ang idol ko. Idol. Tol, tandaan mo, kung kinakailangan, handa akong bawasan ang buhay ko para idagdag sa buhay mo. And I mean it. I'm so happy for you because you found your happiness. You found the love of your life. I love you and thank you for being my forever best friend. And remember, sis, I'm just a phone call away. Don't quit your marriage when things get difficult. Just have break, but never break up. Og sa giingon ni Papa, pakainomdom ka, bahalag mga pangag, hinaog dili mo magbulag. Hinumdom ka katong, mao na imong gi-advise ako katong gikasal ko kunuhay. Pero wala na ako masunod nga bahalag mga pangag, dili mo magbulag. Kaysa klarong pagka-istorya, mas lig-on akong ipon kaysa among relasyon. And lastly, Whatever comes along the way, sis, bro, sana manitili ang inyong pagmamahalan pakailanman. This is true love. Remember, a successful marriage requires falling in love many times, always with the same person. At nakikita ko sa inyong duhana. At kay Boss J, remember, happy wife, happy life. I love you both. At sana, isa pang baby. Congratulations and God bless us all.
And that's it. Maraming salamat, Ma'am Irene, for taking us back.